Working up in the greenhouse with nature cat. Tally ho. Tally ho.
Barney's got your ticket to adventure in Barney's Colorful World Live. Imagine a trip around the world. All aboard for the Arctic.
And the ground is covered with fluffy white snow. That's how I know it's cold. Ahoy, mateys!
Set sail for sandy beaches.
This place is nice and warm.
Dive into the colorful world under the sea. Meet a starfish who's really a star. You'll have a whale of a time. See Barney's Colorful World Live, a magical musical adventure from your friends at Hit Entertainment.
Hey guys, look what I found.
Meet PBS Kids' newest outdoor adventurer, Nature Cat. A new show on PBS Kids.
Never fear! Nature Cat is here to save the day!
Whoops.
Nothing can stop us now!
So explore the outdoors with Nature Cat
Tally ho!
in a 1-hour special on PBS Kids.
We've got to get to Network Wiggles. We've got a show to do. Hold on, everybody.
Camera 1 pull back.
Oh, what a great shot.
Camera 2 do the same. Camera 3, it's not the time to do a pirate jig.
And someone is playing pranks on the Wiggles friends at Network Wiggles.
Lights, camera, action! Wow, look at that! Oh, what happened? Look at that!
Captain, if we're going to stop them, we need to find them. Do you know where those gremlins went? Did you see them?
No, we don't.
There's plenty of wiggly mischief in Woohoo Wiggly Gremlins from your friends at Hit Entertainment.
They're the hottest band in the land, and they've got 2 great CDs for you. With all new songs from the second series. And don't forget the bonus disc Christmas edition with 3 Christmas songs and a CD-ROM. Tell Santa what you want for Christmas. Great music from Hi-Fi.
Used to my thing. Used to my thing.
Who's the first to lend a helping hand to others? Or welcome an unexpected visitor
Every night next week, get ready for more Peppa than ever before. Monday through Friday at 6, Peppa's taking over Nick Jr. with 3 full hours of adventures.
That was my idea. It's exciting, isn't it?
And next Sunday at 7, don't miss the premiere of the Peppa Halloween special.
Peppa Pig Pumpkin Party! I love pumpkin parties!
Right here on the Nick Jr. channel.
I absolutely love to dance. There's something
The magic
magical
of
about
dance.
getting ready for a big performance. The stage is set for dancing and excitement in the Magic of Dance video. You won't believe what happens when Miss Lily comes to dinner. And it's even more fun when William practices his new magic trick on me.
Tails and whiskers.
Gosh, she's really disappeared.
The silver
And you'll see the
locket.
time I borrowed my mother's necklace and lost it.
Angelina, your mum did say you could borrow her locket, didn't she?
Well, not exactly. Be sure to watch the Silver Locket video to find out what happened.
And the big
In the big
performance.
performance video, you won't believe who I danced for. Queen Seraphina of Mouseland.
Angelina is a real star.
So don't miss my big performances on video. And remember, if you follow your dreams, you could be a star too.
Only from Hit Entertainment.
Someone new is heading to ABC Kids. Huh? Hey Dougie, coming soon to ABC Kids.
We're live from the Bobblesburg Winter Games.
As television stations prepare to broadcast to the world, join Bob and the Machines in an exciting snowy adventure. Meet Benny, new to the team.
A real banana peel?
When the mountain pass gets snowed under, will Bob get the courses built in time for the opening ceremony? Oh no! Help! It's their biggest challenge ever. Can they build
Bob
it?
the Builder, Snow
Coming to
Under.
DVD and VHS, fall 2004.
Only from Hit Entertainment.
Something smells good on video.
Oh, hi.
He's very friendly.
You're just in time. It's so good to see you. Come on in.
He's very talented.
I sure do love to cha-cha-cha.
He's Bear in the Big Blue House. Join Bear and his friends Pip and Pop, Ojo, Tunner, Trilo, and Luna.
On the moon.
And make learning a treat. From Jim Henson Television, Bear in the Big Blue House. He's what's fun on video.
Caught them all only from Columbia.
The mighty shark wants to star in his own movie. Arr, arr, arr.
The mighty movie star,
That's me.
the hero of the movie,
That's me.
goes flying through the air to rescue Miss Winona like this.
That's me.
Don't miss the Rubba-Dubbers. In Finbar, the mighty movie star. Plus, 4 more fantastic stories. Now available from Hit Entertainment.
Kids all over are going bananas over Bananas in Pajamas. This hit preschool TV show is now available on video, and it's bunches of fun for everyone. Look for Cuddles Avenue.
This is Cuddles Avenue, where the Bananas in Pajamas live. Their house is the red one at the end of the street next to the beach.
And Birthday Special.
Happy birthday to you. B1 and B2.
Plus, coming soon, you'll find pink spots
Pink spots? Pink spots could mean you've caught the measles, Morgan.
and show business.
Bee-ba, 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 bee-ba.
Kids love the adventures of B1 and B2 and their friends, the Teddies.
Let's go and visit the Teddies.
And Rat in a Hat.
I'm a rat, I'm a rat, I'm a clever, clever rat. It's party time.
Pick up your copies of Bananas in Pajamas wherever videos are sold.
Only from Polygram Video.
out why it's great to be an engine in the brand new adventures of Thomas and Friends. Travel around the island of Sodor, where James goes too far. Gordon gets stuck in the snow. And things heat up for Thomas at the seaside. These and other exciting new stories are full of discoveries, friendship, and fun, proving it's great to be an engine. Coming soon.
Only from Hit Entertainment.
Thomas and Friends. Making tracks to great destinations.
Attention, please.
Calling all trains. Wilson.
Let's ride the rail.
Brewster.
Honking horns. That sounds amazing.
And Coco.
Fantastic.
They're a good little team.
The gang's all here. So all aboard CBeebies crew. Next stop, Chuggington. Weekdays at 5:30. The CBeebies.
If you go through Doc's workshop and sneak past his clever dog Sprocket, you'll enter the amazing underground world of Jim Henson's Fraggle Rock.
Fraggles? Did you say Fraggles? What's a Fraggle?
Fraggles are the fun-loving, game-playing, song-singing furry creatures that play all day long. Okay, maybe a little slower. There's
Gobo.
Gobo's the name. Adventures that keep.
And Moki, who
Monkey.
is amazed by the whole world.
Come on, everybody. Rushes, rushes. Rushes.
There's one bleep
Wumby.
calm one. And Red, who's always ready for a challenge.
Oh, I bet I come in first.
And then there's Boober, who is, well, Boober.
Excuse me, sorry. Oh, radishes are my life.
Right. Just don't get caught by the gourds when you're visiting their radish
You
garden.
won't get into my garden, or my name's not Junior. You fellow!
I said don't get caught.
Oh, no.
That's better. And don't forget those busy doozers.
Dizzy Doozers.
And Gobo's adventurous uncle, Traveling Matt, who's brave enough to explore the real world.
Reminds me when a balloon guy got hit by
Don't
one of his
forget the
runaway
all-knowing
kids.
trash heap, the pipe bangers, the minstrels. There's a whole world of music, laughter, and magical wonder just beyond the wall.
It's always exciting in Fraggle Rock.
Jim Henson's Fraggle Rock. Now available on VHS and DVD. From your friends at Hit Entertainment.
Down at Fraggle Rock.
I wish something would happen.
Why? Be careful what you wish for. What makes you say that?
Hello, UFOs! Hello! It's not possible!
Well, what are you waiting for?
What was that? Maybe it was a lion. Anything can happen. On Arthur. That's amazing. Wow.
Weekday mornings at 7:30 on...
Strike a zebra-ready pose and listen up with your cow monkey ears. What does all that mean? It means it's time to shake a leg and jam together with the wildest dance party around. Jim Henson's Animal Jam. March with Edie, freeze with Waffle, and join a dance band with DJs 1, 2, 3. And no one jams or shakes a leg like Bozarth, the Animal Jam superstar. He's having a ball. So hop up and climb on board with Jim Henson's Animal Jam. Now available on DVD from Hit Entertainment. And don't miss Animal Jam every weekday morning on the Discovery Kids channel.
Only from here.
The Baby Einstein Company has created something new to take your preschooler on a fun musical exploration of the real world. Introducing Little Einstein. Little Einstein. See it on Playhouse Disney in 2005.
From Disney.
Silly has a brand new address. And it's Todd World.
Hi, I'm Todd, and this is my world. Have you ever eaten macaroni and cheese in the bathtub? Or taken an amusement park ride on a giant milkshake?
Cannonball!
Neato Mosquito, these are my friends. This is Pickle.
Back up. Can't forget the wormies.
He takes his pet worms with him everywhere. This is Stella. I will be the star of the show. The Queen of Diamonds. She likes being the center of attention. We begin. This is Sophie. When her pigtails move up and down real fast, she can fly. And this is my dog Benny.
Check it out.
He plays a pretty mean pair of sticks.
And silly's just the half of it, because in Todd World, you'll also learn lots of smart stuff. Like foot tracing.
Excuse me.
How to build a squirrel house with monkey underpants.
Monkey underpants?
And that it's okay to be short.
Winner for smallest elephant.
Or tall.
Winner for biggest mouse.
Todd and his friends are now on DVD and VHS from Hit Entertainment. You'll also find them soon in lots of fun books from Little Brown and Company. Make Todd World your newest fun place. Todd World. Very silly, very smart.
Only from Hit Entertainment.
See you next time. Love, Todd.
I was just being nice.
Sing, dance, and laugh along with the Hooly Doolies in their very
Out.
first video.
I'm trying your video.
All your favorites and lots of new songs with the Hooly Doolies on ABC Video from ABC Shops, ABC
The
Centers,
Hoogers no
and
longer
video
appearing
retailers.
because it's videos. Segment.
Introducing a very special girl
And now presenting Francis.
and a very special world of fun.
Now, who's ready to play?
And right in the middle of it all is Francis.
Just to warn you, I'm a big girl with sharp claws.
Hit Entertainment and the Jim Henson Company bring this beloved classic storybook character to life.
I bet you're looking for Francis. She's not here. I am Francina, the princess of everything on Earth, including the universe.
Each episode has 3 delightful stories, all about taking on the challenges of
I
childhood.
wish I didn't have a sister. Then we would be going to Lizardland today.
And if there's anyone ready to take on that challenge, it's Francis.
You can do the writing, and I'll do the thinking.
You're very good at thinking. With a song and a dance, she'll find a solution to any problem.
I, Francis, have a good idea.
And it just wouldn't be Francis without her mom.
You did a very nice thing. The right
Her
thing.
dad,
We're gonna have a great time.
her little sister Gloria,
Ah, Gloria.
and her best friend Albert.
I love the name Francis. After all, Francis is the name of my best friend.
Ready or not, she's on her way.
That sounds like a plan.
Get in touch with your inner Francis. As Francis, the star of Russell Hoban's cherished children's books, comes to DVD and VHS, spring of 2006.
Only from Hit Entertainment.
That's me.
Available
from Polygon Video.
She's Maisie, the lovable star of Lucy Cousins' award-winning children's books. And she's coming to life on TV this spring. Join Maisie in all her exciting adventures as she discovers the magic of the world around her. And when Maisie has fun, her friends have fun too. Charlie the crocodile, Cyril the squirrel, Tallulah the chick. Join them all.
Girls World's videos. Tallulah has the ponytail just like Sweets.
Look out for Maisie, the little mouse who's lots of fun. Maisie, premiering on Nickelodeon, spring 1999.
VHS and DVD now available at Hit Entertainment.
Also available from BBC Video, Fireman Sam, the hero next door. Follow the antics of everyone's favourite fireman as he stars in 4 entertaining episodes, including the story of the day the winds came to Sam's little town in the Welsh Valleys. All your favourite characters from Pontypandy star with Fireman Sam on his first video, The Hero Next Door, £7.99 from BBC Video.
20th Century Fox.